Is your Windows 11 plagued by the frustrating curse of slow internet speeds? Fret not. Dive into this video, where quick fixes await to turbocharge your internet speed. Firstly, make sure the metered connection is turned off. Head to Settings, navigate to Network and Internet, and click on Wi-Fi. Open the properties of your Wi-Fi network and toggle off the metered connection. Next up, troubleshoot your internet connection using the built-in troubleshooter. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Troubleshoot Settings, and click on it. In the Other Troubleshooter section, hit the Run icon beside the Network and Internet options. If you're still grappling with internet issues, consider closing all background apps. Press Ctrl and Shift and Escape to access the Task Manager. Go to Performance and select the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Click on the Resource Monitor. Identify the process using a large amount of data under the Network section. Right-click on it and select End Process. These solutions are geared up to revive your internet speeds. Don't miss the chance to hit that subscribe button and jump into one of these videos you might enjoy.